Hello everybody, my name is Bettina di Virgilio and I'm from Italy. I'm a Adobe certified instructor and I will be your teacher for this course. This course is about hair masking. So I'm going to teach you a series of techniques about how to make this hard work with Photoshop. The first part is about how to make the contour, the selection, the masking, about all the figure. And the second part is about how to work in details, so how to improve the details of your work of the previous part. So let's go and see in deep what I'm going to teach you. So in the first lesson, you will learn how to use the user interface of Photoshop. So just an introduction. It's an introduction about how to use the panels, the main menu, and how to make a selection and the masking. So the difference between what does it mean to select and what does it mean to mask. Then I will get into the first sample and we are going to work on a real problem, so how to contour the hair. The first lesson is pretty easy because the girl has got dark hair and the background is light. So it's a perfect situation to make a good job. We're going to learn how to use the quick selection tool and how to refine it with the refine edge tools and with the select and mask tools. Then I'm going to give you a second sample in which the contrast between the hair and the background is not so high, so it's a little bit more difficult of the previous. So we're going to see how to use the adjustment to solve this problem. Then I'm going to work about the borders. So a figure, a person is not compact. So some part of this of the person, it can be smooth. So for example, the dress or the skin, and some part is not smooth at all, the hair. So how can we deal with different border properties, and how can we make our silhouette looks fine depending on the area in which we are working. Then I'm going to use the color range to make a quick masking in a picture of a hair, and then we're going to work with a color range again, but in small areas to refine the work. At the end of the first part, I'm going to use the color channels, so we're going to see how to use the color information to make a mask for contouring the hair. In the second part, I will start again with the use of the color channel, but in specific area to improve the mask. Then we are going to work with brushes. First with a thinny brush, so just a 1 pixel brush for thinny hairs. So we're going to see how to get out the thinny hairs from your contour and for your selection in the best way. And then we're going to make personal brushes. Personal brushes can really let our work faster because we are going to design something exact with the shape that you need. Then we are going to see how to save our libraries of brushes. So we are going to design different brushes to save them into our personal library. Last part is about the edges. So when you make a contour of the hair, most of the time you will have some of the original color into the hair themselves. So how can I take this out? I will show you how to take out the original color of the background and how to fix light border and dark borders. So if hair contour is a problem, I hope you will be my students.